My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called 4G3J7. 4G3J7. This is a new ransomware that attacks many Windows computers right now. This particular ransomware ruins the files that customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware may essentially damage the files and encrypt them. Obviously, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then pretty soon customers realize that something bad has occurred with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts all these files and damages them and does not allow customers to use their data anymore. So this is what happens. You can clearly see that after you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the extension called 4G3J7. No matter what files you try to open, you still get this message. The ransomware instructs the victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, but there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored even if you pay the ransom. And it also gives this scary message mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea, so do not pay it. What you should do is to go to the task manager of your computer, carefully look for any suspicious processes like this one. If you find such processes running in the background, you need to right-click on them and terminate them. This is important because this can help you save at least some of the files from being damaged by the ransomware. Speaking about removing the ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and then start carefully researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in trial mode. Click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which of course is crucial for proper malware detection. After that, it will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So you will then see the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. While the scanning is taking place, you may pay attention to some of the features of Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders on your hard drive that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. But keep in mind that this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some minutes until the scanning is complete. The scanning itself may last, as I said, several minutes depending on how many hard drives are connected to your computer and also depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner anti-malware database is strong enough and powerful enough to detect the majority of threats, including ransomware, adware, browser hijackers, and other potentially unwanted software. So, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their location. We recommend you to upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats automatically from your system.